Christmas, but I'm going to quit pushing everything to get done and over with so soon. I'm just going to enjoy the moment, but I can do that since I'm not selling a lot of product. You know, when you have to sell what's popular. And I say it to my ladies all the time, that a friend told me one time that what was it? If I painted what I wanted, I'd be a poor person, is what she always said. And you know what? That is kind of true, because we know what sells and we go after the sale. So mine's just going to be kind of changing. I'm going to paint what I like, and some people like it and some people won't, and that's okay. None of us like everything, you know. And I know I'm getting in a really niche down category when I go with both Halloween and pink. I know what my category is. If I painted a snowman scene on this with lots of diamond dust and pretty white trees, I would get so much more money for this than I'm going to get for pink Halloween, but that's okay too. I've had to push everything for so many years trying to, you know, make $1 off what I was doing, and now it's just been so much nicer. Oh, you know what I don't have? Can you run home and get that? I don't even know, because I took my charger to the hospital. Now I don't have a charger. You have one? Because my iPad's dead.
I got my charger by my chair.
Can you bring that over? Yeah, because everything is not where it's supposed to be. I don't know where any chargers are, and he made it. And then he can catch up on comments. Okay, that's my first coat there, but look at how that pink just kind of stands out with that red on there. So this is going to be a jack-o'-lantern. And I'm saving that cat for the last because I'm kind of new to cats. So I got his nose put in there. So did you ladies get to see all of the sales over on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace this weekend? They had some cute fall. I don't know what the heck happened right there, but it totally shut me down. And then it said resume video. I've never had that happen before. So anyway, you figure it's September 24th. You have probably 2 weeks. Isn't that crazy? That's why I want to kind of do some more scarecrows and whatever, because fall is going to be done before you know it. Let me get up so you can... He did buy me a little coffee pot the other day. Paint. Oh, it's even got apples on it. Oops. Actually, I think those are cherries. I've kind of gotten behind on comments too, so you'll have to catch them up. Let me see while he's fixing it up. You watched all of them but 2? Well, thank you so much. The ladies love it, even if you're just watching and sending them some hearts. They love that. Sharon, I'm feeling really good. My daughter had her gallbladder taken out Thursday, so we've been babysitting. Thank you, Vicki. I love pink and black. I really do. It was our wedding colors back in 1990. Hi, Jamie. All right. He'll catch up on the other comments while I work on this. It almost was a ghost in a pumpkin, but I'm kind of really loving the black cats too. Yes, Darla was on. She's got a brand new baby on Darla's Doodles. She was live tonight with her sale. You can catch all of the sales up until Tuesday night. And Marianne will pop the virtual home decor marketplace when you see that lit up with the blue letters. If you've never been there before, it is your amazing crafters. It's kind of like an online craft show. I'm going to turn this actually into a jack-o'-lantern as well. Put his right there first, and then I think all of us in the family, me and Brittany, now Cassidy's had her gallbladder out. Donnie's the only one who hasn't had any gallbladder. You haven't had any surgery, have you?
No, but your doctor.
Oh, you had knee surgery.
Right after you had your gallbladder taken out, I went in. It's been, when did you have yours taken out? 4 years ago?
Longer than that.
They wanted me to go in and have mine taken out.
Why?
They said, tested that I needed my gallbladder out.
Oh.
I told them I'd wait.
Yeah, it's been longer than that because Cassidy was in school when I had mine out.
Several years ago.
Cassidy just had her 10-year anniversary, so it was more like 11 or 12.
I mean, knock on wood, I wasn't having any symptoms. I think they just wanted to take my gallbladder out.
Okay.
Okay, I don't see any updated thing on Terry Burton. It's kind of...
Oh, I forgot to push the button. Okay, I'm not live on my page. So we are only live. I forgot to go into the marketplace too. Oh well.
Vicky says that looks lovely as usual.
Thank you, Vicky. So
hello, Vicky.
All you have to do is read the comments coming up here.
Yeah, Vicky says, can't wait to see the kitty's eyes.
Okay, I think we're good. Hi, Dusty.
Okay. Why are you getting these?
No, I could see the first few on my phone when I had it bent down.
Marianne wants to know if you want her to share her in.
Yeah, you can go ahead and share me in. It doesn't really do much good to share, but it's something. I like going live in both groups and cross-posting. Usually, shares don't work near as good as what they're done up to be, but I like to cross-post if I'm going to do anything.
I just bought clear enamel from Walmart, and it's up to $7 a can.
Are you kidding?
6 cans hit me for $42.
Man. And we use the cheap stuff.
Well, it ain't cheap anymore. I can't buy the cheap stuff anymore.
You know, it'd be tough to do craft shows with as much stuff as we used to go buy the cases of clear spray.
But that's when it's $4 a can now.
I know.
He says everything's more expensive. Yeah, your 1 can of yellow for your crow's feet, $7 too.
What size can did you get?
A regular size spray can.
Oh, just a spray can of paint.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we were at Walmart the other day, I got some of that cream cheese spread. It was almost $7, $6.59. I don't ever go grocery shopping. That's Donnie's part of the job. I do not go grocery shopping, and I was shocked by the prices. Let's give him a muzzle here.
And Jamie says, wow.
Hey, Jamie.
Jamie Johnson.
Oh, hi, Jamie.
Melanie says that's outrageous cream cheese.
It was. It was that spreadable kind, but it was still the smaller container of the two.
What's with the normal size painting night? What happened to the monstrosities you've been painting here lately?
Well, I'm saving that for the snowmen. I didn't want to, you know, sometimes I don't mind spreading it out, but I'm so far behind on work now with taking all this time off that I decided I needed to do something nice and simple and get it out the door because I won't be able to be live for a while.
And Kathy Buckman says your prices are doubling in Canada. So whatever it costs here is double in Canada.
Yep, that's true. Good scrub brush. Be careful. This is not sealed or anything underneath. I am painting right on the tin or whatever this is. Do you know if this is silver plated or it's just what's this called?
Probably silver plate, yeah.
Okay. I think this is one of those from, maybe. I was thinking this was from some of that aluminum ware that we had bought and spent $500 on it, and we still have the whole loft full of it.
Says it, Sylvia, you better sand that off real quick and melt it down. We did find some Mary Ann, some pieces, and I looked on the back, and it was, I think it was like 98 or 99% nickel silver. So I tucked that away. We're not going to paint on that.
He tucked it away, and then when we're passed on, my kids are going to pull up a dumpster, and they're going to dump it all because they don't know what the heck he's got.
I think we probably got about a pound of it. I don't think nickel silver is worth quite as much as sterling, but I think it's worth something.
I'm just going to put a cute mouth in here. I'm not even going to make a scary mouth. I'm just going to make it cute.
Yeah, Mary Ann said she always checks before she paints.
I like that. Just make it a cute. Deborah got her black cat. She posted a picture. I think she mentioned me on it. I think I have to approve it. But the black cat with that big oval frame, she got that, and she took some pictures of it where she displayed it, and it turned out, that thing was so pretty.
Well, I'm relieved. I was really worried about that making it there in one piece, because
she got it.
I packed it as good as I could, but didn't feel good about it.
Kind of wish I would have done round eyes now, since try to make it cute. I'm going to be painting pink at Christmas, too. I'm ready for all things